Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 125PS 270 Limited Front-Wheel Drive L1 High Roof Spares OR Repairs Nice. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 81,368. MOT, 29 April 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs with a misfire. One of the pistons is cracked, so the engine will need replacing or repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: aircon, parking sensors, electric windows, 3 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,675. Click the link in the description.